Are you struggling to make consistent profits? In just 1 month, our Discord members have achieved incredible success with our easy scalping setups. Discover how you can do the same and achieve financial freedom. Stay tuned. Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. It's Diogenes here. And today, I've got something special for you. If you've been finding it hard to become consistently profitable in your trading journey, this video is for you. We're diving into an easy scalping setup that has helped many traders, including myself, achieve financial freedom. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join our free Discord server, the Moneymaker Traders. Alright, let's get into the Moneymaker setup for the new guys. This setup is all about trading with the trend and making quick profitable trades. Here's how it works. Number 1. Trend structure. First, we identify the trend on the higher time frame. Are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? This is crucial because we want to trade with the trend, not against it. Number 2. Entry points. We look for entries from the 50% retracement of unmitigated structure or pullback following the trend. This usually gives us high probability trades. Number 3. Profit targets. Our initial target is the 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Once we hit that, we can manage our trade accordingly. AKA, you can leave runners or just take the 1-to-1 like what I do. One last thing, when a higher time frame high or low is taken, we expect accumulation or a change of order flow. This means we become more conservative and wait for the market to indicate the next move. It's all about being patient and waiting for the right opportunities. This simply means that after a flip, we can take bullish trades, but when we take a higher time frame high, we stop taking bullish trades and wait for the market to show its hand. This is only a simple way to introduce new guys to the Moneymaker setup. If you want to learn more about it, I will leave you some videos in the description so you can study it more deeply. Now let's look at Friday, the 26th July trades and see how the Moneymaker setup played out in real time. So in the 12-minute, I saw that structure was bearish until we flipped it here. So this for me was either a pullback to go higher and take this week high or a start of some kind of accumulation in here. 5-minute internal structure, we were on a downtrend and this was our last protected high. M1, we flipped bullish here and we were respecting bullish structure to mitigate maybe this last zone and then make a new low, or just keep being bullish and respect the M12 bullish flip. Okay, so let's say we started the trading day somewhere here at 3. We can notice that price just came from mitigating this 50%. So if you were early in the market, that was your first trade. Okay, here is also another trade. So we were in a bearish structure, we flipped, and here is our zone. So this was another trade we missed. No problem, we believe and have a mindset of abundance. We believe that market will keep providing us with setups and richness. So let's proceed. This for me is our last protected low on the M12, and this is an unmitigated zone. So I will place my limits in this 50% if price comes back to it. Let's play the price. As you can see, unfortunately, price just mitigated the 30% and went up. So since we closed above this, this is my new protected low. I will keep this zone highlighted because for me it's not mitigated yet. Alright, so this is another zone I will take a trade from if we take the 50%. I will just trade not knowing anything, just taking any trade I like. Okay, so again, yikes, we miss again the 50%. No problem, we keep following. Here we go. We have a new zone and price triggers our trade here. Now let's see if it gives us the 1-to-1. 1-to-1 is given, so first W. Okay, so now our new protected low is here. Let's keep moving the price. So since we mitigated this 50% and closed above it, we'll delete the last zone. Our last protected low is here. So I will take again this trade if they take me in after closing above the zone. So fortunately, I don't think they will give me this trade again. And we close. So what happens? New zone is here and new protected low is here, right? So I take it. Let's play. Win. Another win. Okay, let's keep playing price. So we close above the zone to make this our new protected low. And what I like about this protected low is that it took this liquidity. So this is where I take more risk. If I risk $100 per trade in those kind of trades, the ones that take liquidity before, like this trade here, I will risk the double at least, right? So another trade, 50%, see what happens. Will they fill me in? Unfortunately, they won't. Okay, no problem. Let's keep playing price. I'm waiting for the price to come and take me in. Okay. So what happened? Okay. Okay. All right. I have an internal structure, maybe leading back to this 50%. This is, since we closed under this is for me a bearish zone. Did it take liquidity? Yes, it took liquidity from this small time frame zone. Will I take it? Absolutely, if they tag me in. Let's see. I'm in. Come on. Come on. TP hit. So 3 W3s. No losses for the time being. Okay? Let's see what happens. This is now our last protected high. So, by closing under this zone, we have our new zone. I'm always, as you can see, playing with the current trend. Okay? Having in mind this 50%. Alright? So, let's play it. Let's just take it. Okay? This fills us in. And let's see another win. So 4 wins for now. Are we still waiting for price to come here and tag us here? Absolutely. This is beautiful accumulation above this 50%. We're in, we're tagged in. Instant profits. Let's go. TP hit. Right? Very cool. Very, very cool. So 5 wins for now. Okay. Since we took and mitigate this 50% and we flipped bullish here, let me delete all of this for you. This is for me a bullish zone. But the last protected low is still this low. Okay? Let's see what happens. Are we getting in? Okay. Okay. No, but we created a new zone and it's also a dealing range because it took this liquidity. Am I gonna take it? Absolutely. Let's see what happens. Okay. We accumulate above the zone, which is beautiful. A++, displacement, A++. Okay. I also see that we created a small time frame zone here. Oh. I could have taken this trade, right? Small scalp, 1-to-1 here. But I didn't see it now, so I won't count it. That's a win. Okay? But as I always tell you guys, we don't trade the accumulation above a non-mitigated zone, but sometimes the accumulation is like a trend, so you can trade it. With experience, you will know when and not to trade accumulation. Okay, let's keep tracking. All right. Okay. Here, I think we broke structure. For me, it's a break of structure here, because this was our last protected low in this smaller time frame. I think the 15-second or something like that. Will I take this trade? Why not? I'm up 5 wins. Let's put our limits, shall we? See what happens. Sorry. they didn't tag us. No problem. Okay, cool. We got our win. And that's why the one-to-one always saves you. Why? Because look at what they do just after giving you the one-to-one. Let me now have now 6 wins. Okay, let's keep tracking price. Alright, they tagged us in the other trade and they gave us an instant one-to-one. See, when we have accumulation displacement above the zone, they will give us free and easy wins, right? Now, 7 wins. Okay. Let's keep looking at what price would give us. Now, this zone, we will just delete it. I will keep this zone. I will still take this one-to-one. I don't care. Why? Because it's beautiful. A++ with all the accumulation and SBS you need for a good trade. Okay? No. It happened. Will they give it to us? Okay, no. Nothing for now. Will they give it to us? Let's go. We're tagged in. Win or lose? Instant win. Okay, cool. Very, very cool. That's another win. Now we're at 8 wins, 0 losses. Is this a bearish zone? And is this our last protected high? Yes, it is. Am I taking it? Of course, I'm taking it. Now, did they tag us? I don't think so. They just left it by a tick. Let's see. Accumulate, which is good. Did they tag us? Not. Okay, no problem. They didn't tag us. No problem. We follow market. Did we take a higher time frame? Low? We can argue. Okay, we can argue. So this is maybe higher time frame low. So now the zones will be tricky. Am I gonna take a zone if I see and like one? Of course, this is a zone. Why? Because I'm 8 trades green. Why not take everything I see? This is a bearish zone. Will they give us the one-to-one? Let's see. Okay. Yes, let's go. One-to-one is given. So now 9 wins. Let's track protected highs. Since now we are in a bearish structure. Okay. Okay. We closed above. We closed above this new low. So this is now our new protected high. Okay. Will I take this trade? Yes. Let's see what happens. Oops. So they wicked us out and gave the one-to-one. So if you guys know about the rules, we either take another trade after we CSS after the wick of our zone, or we just wait because now we have a high probability zone that took liquidity of a zone before. Okay, let's play price. This is our new zone, new protected high, will we take the short? Of course, why not? And instant 1-to-1. So we have 10 wins, 1 loss. No problem, let's play. Let's play the price. See what happens. Okay. Now we flipped. Is this a flip, or we just making all of this an accumulation to go mitigate back this 50% we left unmitigated, right? But we don't care. Let's just trade it as a flip. Let's just say we don't have experience and we're starting and we just playing the moneymaker setups. Okay, so let's say this is a flip. So this is now our bullish zone, and this is now our protected low. Okay, am I gonna play this from this 50%? Absolutely, why not? Let's see what happens. Okay, oops, so price wicked us out again, and they CSS. So you either take a trade like this, wait for them to tag you in from the CSS candle and target again the 1-to-1 or this high. Let's see if they tag us in. We're in. Okay, okay, see, that's how you get more trade, more RR when they wick you out. All right, well, that's how we do it. Okay, let's see, but it's still a loss. Wait, we have now 2 losses. Let's play the game. Right, now where is our zone? Now for me, I would have taken this trade on the seconds chart, because here is for sure a 30-second or 50-second zone, right? Okay, 30-second, perfect zone with the first tap, and then they target the 50%. But let's just say on the M1 for now. Okay, let's just say on the M1, 10 wins, 2 trades, no problemo. Okay, so now that we closed above here, here is for me our new zone, bullish one. Okay, we're still bullish, but I didn't forget about our perfect short. Now for me, this is all accumulation to go and take this low again, right? So I'm taking this short, this 1-to-1. We're tagged in. Let's see how it works. Okay, instant profits, 1-to-1. Now 11 win, 11 win, 2 losses. Will I take this bullish trade? I don't think so with this huge candle, but let's just say we will take it, no problem. This is high probability zone. We'll take the 1-to-1, no problem. Let's see, will it work? Will it work? Nope, they wicked us again and CSS. Okay, that's another loss. Let's keep playing. This is our last zone that took the low, right? But we took a higher time frame low, so we won't trust the zone at the low. Okay, did it give the 1-to-1? Maybe. No, it didn't give it. But now, for me, we have a bearish or a bullish zone. Okay. After that loss, no problem. We remove it. We have this bullish zone, right? Will it give us the 50%? Will it give us the 50%? I don't think so. But we have a second time frame zone, a bearish one, that will maybe give us this 50%. Will I take this short? Of course. Always. Let's see. Are we tagged in? Okay, another win. So 12 win, 3 loss. Okay. So I don't think they will tag the 50% because they flipped bullish here. Let me show you. So they took this low and flipped bullish. So on the second time frame, this is a bullish zone. Okay. Will they give the 1-to-1? Let's see. 1-to-1 is given. Okay. So that's another win. This is all what the market does, guys. So imagine if you go to the 5-second, imagine how much trades you could get, right? So this is our protected low now. This is our zone. Let's see if price comes back to it again. No. This is, we'll keep it here. If price come back to it again. This is now our protected low. Let's see if price give us the trade at this 50%. No. This is our new protected low. Let's see again. No. Protected low. See if trade works here. No. Although I wouldn't have taken this trade because we just took a higher time frame high and we reacted from this higher time frame. Five-minute bearish zone. So this was not a valid loss in my books, but I will still count it as a loss. 4 losses. But we are now bearish to maybe mitigate this zone. Let's see what happens. If they create some bearish structure, I will take the shorts leading into this trade. Okay. So we have our pullback. Will we close under it? I will take the short from this zone. Okay, we accumulate. Good. We take this high. Good. We close under. It's game on. Since we took this high and took this low, so this is perfect for me in the seconds. Well, that's another trade, bearish trade I would have taken. Okay. So that's 14 wins, 4 losses. Let's keep on tracking. Okay, now we have our bearish zone, right? And we have our trade triggered. Maybe it will give the 1-to-1 again. So let's see. 1-to-1 is given, so 15. See how easy it is to work with the moneymaker setup. Will I take this short here? Absolutely. Why not? Okay, the first step, accumulation. If they give me the 50%, I will still take it. Wait. This is a zone, bearish one created, and the 1-to-1 is given. Okay, so that's 16. Just the easy setups, right? We're not diving to some kind of 5-second chart or some crazy thing. Okay, wait, we are triggered now. Our order is filled in. Will we take this? Absolutely. Okay, 1-to-1. Will we take it from this flip zone where we flip the bullish? We have a bullish zone. Am I gonna take it? Absolutely. Again, let's see what happens. That's maybe a stop loss. No, that's another win. Let's go. 17. Oh, sorry, that's already 4 p.m. New York, so I will stop somewhere here. So all in all, we had a 17 win and 4 loss day, which is the equivalent of a 13-hour day. If you only risked $100 per trade, you would have made $13,300, which is like really good if you ask me. Now, mind you, I took all the setups that I saw. I didn't use my experience to avoid some zones or something like that. So for me, I would have made more than 17 wins and less than 4 losses. Or maybe not. Let's just take it as it is. I hope you found this breakdown helpful. The moneymaker setup is powerful, but it requires practice and discipline. If you want to dive deeper and get more personalized tips, make sure to join our Discord server, the Moneymaker Traders. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more daily reviews and in-depth trading strategies. Until next time, happy trading and stay profitable. Ciao ciao.